Hold on, today I'll be fixing my Chromebook. The hinge on it has broken. The supports for it has broken, and it is this hinge right here. As you can tell, it's very messed up. You can even see it right there. But the little supports that hold the back casing is broken, so I'll be fixing that with super glue. So first I'm going to shut down the Chromebook. I'm going to slowly peel away the tape because I don't want to peel off the stickers, or my homemade stickers I put on the back of it. So just slowly peel the tape off. Because it goes around the edge on here. I'll put tape on here, so I'm not letting this thing die. This is like my favorite Chromebook. It's so small. Sure, it's been used and abused, but it is so small, and I love this Chromebook. So I'm not gonna let it die just from a stupid hinge. No. Sorry, first. Now this is going to be a little hard because I can't rest my hand on it, or I might press the power button. Oh, now it seems like I already did. Oh, I have to be careful with this one. I got a little bit of paper, but that won't ruin anything, right? I gotta be nice and careful with this one because oh no, it's getting on the paper. It's peeling. No. Damn it. Okay, now as you can see, oh yes, I have also turned on. Okay, so as you can see, with the tape off, the screen is trying to separate. Okay, let me sign in real quick. Shut down. Alright, one moment. Alright, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to raise it up again so the screen is with that. And I'm going to press so I can move the hinge down too. So now that we have it like that, we can now remove this plastic piece that just easily clips off. It's just goes to show how cheap these are made. I really need to clean this Chromebook. It is disgusting. Alright, so now we have access to the hinge that is broken off. So let's get my chair over here. I'll rotate it like this so I can get better access to it. So I'll be using this duct tape, super glue. I'll be using this super glue. Alright, so look at it. Yeah, see, all that is. Alright, so this is what we're going to be focusing on today. So this is the Wi-Fi antennas. And that's what's left of the hinges. But what we are going to do, we're going to move those. Alright, but you can see the little golden little things right there. There's little golden things that would be melted into the plastic for the screw holes. So what I am going to do, right, is I'm going to unscrew hot glue. It says right there. And I'm going to adjust the camera. And I'm going to pour some into where Oh, and I accidentally poured too much, but hopefully that won't damage anything. Alright. Now we're just going to lower this down. And we need it to sit flush, right? So now I'm going to hold it down because I don't have a clamp or anything. Oh crap. HDMI adapter that I'm not using right now. Oh, good. Okay, so even though we might not be able to unscrew this anymore, I'll be fine because I'm just waiting until my birthday comes around and I can save all my birthday money and I can buy a new one. I know I'm not buying one of those really expensive folding ones. No, I'm buying another cheap one because I love these and they're so small. Alright, I might also, you can definitely tell that I believe those were connected. They're probably snapped, so I'll take a look at that too. But over here, you can also tell that focus. You can also tell that that is about to snap too. So what I'm gonna do is just put a little dab of hot glue where it looks like it's about to fall. Yep. And I'm also going to put a little dab right here where it looks like it's gonna break. Ah, shit. I've had a Chromebook before, like a personal one, that had this. Oh. Ah, shit. My computer's doing crap that. So I love Windows. I love dual booting, right? So I have two hard drives in my PC, one for Windows 10 and one for Windows 7. And every time I boot into Windows 7, it keeps saying checking disk, and now it says deleting. It would check the Windows, the disk that is Windows 10, and I don't want that because I don't want it to mess up the Windows 10 installation I have on here because it's activated Windows 10, and if it does that, well, it's gonna probably delete some important files. I don't want that, of course. All right, is this right enough? Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put a fan over it. Kind of suck because they're built this cheap because they know that they'll just break in a while. Planned obsolete. Planned obsolete is a huge problem now because they're making stuff really, really cheap. And I hate it because they make it really cheap. Just these big companies like Lenovo and HP and all this is making really, really cheap, flimsy products that will break in a couple months or so. With HP, they're infamous for their snapping hinges and crap, and they know they make it like that. They get really cheap plastic that they know will break after a while, and then the consumer is going to come back and buy another one and another one and another one and another one. That's how they make their money. That's why they don't make quality products anymore. It's horrible. It's a terrible thing. And I really hate it. I really hate the fact that we live in a world where you can't just, where everything doesn't last. There's no quality products. That fan I bought a while ago that I did a video on, motor on it decided to burn out and stop working. So that one's gone. But this one, that's much older than it, is still going. Perfectly fine too. Alright, still a little flimsy, so I'm just gonna drop in some more super glue. Just gonna dab it down right here. Yep. Alright, I'm gonna put the cap back on. And I'm gonna let that dry. Alright, I'm gonna continue when this is done. Okay, so I left it for a while. One second as I turn on the PC. I'll show in a moment. There you see. It's on there. Pretty good. Just gotta wait for the droplets on top to dry. I think I placed the fan right here. Yeah, that'll work. Well, I was using my other PC, and then this Windows 10 notification popped up on the taskbar. It says EOS notification. Oh, well, closed. EOS notification isn't. Oh! Your Windows 7 PC is out of support. As of January 14, 2020, support for Windows 7 has came to an end. Your PC is vulnerable to viruses and malware due to no security, no software, no tech support. Strongly recommends using Windows 10 on a new PC. Maybe later. I don't have a catalyst. Alright. Well, that's almost done. Let's go leave it. So, a couple things. One, my friend came to me and gave me a Western Digital 1 GB hard drive. It's WD Caviar. That'll work. It's probably has Windows, like 95 or something on it. So it has mostly dry. So let's put it back together. We get the little Wi-Fi antennas back in the slot right there. Yeah. Okay. Now, before we put this back, oh shit. Oh, and there goes the other hinge. Oh, and there goes the entire fucking screen. Oh, great, now this thing has no hinges on it. Both hinges are gone. Are you fucking kidding me? Just made the problems worse by testing it. Kidding me? This is not how I wanted my chromebook to die. Ah. Okay, now we have both sides to deal with now. You gotta be kidding me. Okay, I guess we gotta fix the other side now. I'm still in love with this whole area up because I... Great. Fuck. Oh, and it's on now. Okay. Well, now I gotta... shut down. Great. Well, the super glue did not work at all. So now things are being held up only by tape. And that's it. This is only being held up by tape. Both of the hinges are dead and only being held up by tape. And also I got another phone from my friend that he wants me to fix. That is more effed than Taylor Swift's career.